Today, I'm going to replicate one of the most viral video formats on the internet without spending a single dollar. No paid tools, no secret software. This YouTube channel is called Structural Aesthetics. Over 300,000 subscribers, hundreds of millions of views, and all they do is upload insanely satisfying construction and liquid transformation videos. No voice, no face, just clean before and after visuals that completely hijack your brain. Then I found an Instagram page where some videos casually crossed 400 million views. Not once, repeatedly. When the same format keeps pulling numbers like that, it's not talent and it's not timing. It's a system. Then I landed on one setup that made me stop scrolling. That's the version I'm giving you. You don't need to be creative here, seriously. Just copy and paste these prompts, run them through 100% free tools I'll show you in this tutorial. That's the entire workflow. No overthinking, no experimenting for days. And if you want to save time, skip the painful trial and error phase and avoid yelling at your screen at 2 a.m., just subscribe to reach more. I'll stress test the ideas, break things on purpose, so you don't have to. You just show up, post the video, and act like it was your plan all along. Deal? All right, let's do this step by step without making it feel like homework. Step 1, generate video ideas using ChatGPT. First things first, we need ideas. Go to the link in the description and open the document. Inside, you'll find 2 prompts. Start by copying the first one. Now open ChatGPT and paste it directly into the chat box. Hit enter. This prompt is built to generate scroll-stopping, ultra-realistic time-lapse video ideas, and pay attention to the pattern. Every idea starts ugly on purpose. Empty spaces, damage, abandonment. Think drained pools, algae, cracked concrete, dirt, or outdated structures. Then each idea ends fully finished and ready to use, with clean edges, reflections, landscaping, furniture, lighting fixtures, and real functional details. That before and after contrast is the entire reason these videos work. Now we need to break one of these ideas into actual scenes. For that, go back to the document and copy the second prompt. Paste it into ChatGPT. You'll see a section where you need to insert the idea you picked. Just copy the idea you like and paste it inside the brackets. Right below that, you can choose how many scenes you want. For this example, I'll use 4 scenes, but if you want a longer video, just increase that number. Once you hit enter, ChatGPT will generate an ultra-realistic time-lapse plan with sequential scenes that show the full transformation from start to finish. Same location, same framing, same lens, same lighting, same environment. That consistency is what makes the whole thing feel real instead of fake or AI-ish. Now we're ready to turn these written scenes into actual moving visuals. Step 2, generating the visuals. Go to grok.com. It's free and you can generate up to 20 clips every single day. Before creating anything, there are 2 quick settings we need to fix. Grok automatically animates things by default, and we don't want it making decisions for us. Go to your account settings, click behavior, and turn off automatic video generation. Next, make sure you've selected the video option, not image, and set the ratio to 9:16 for shorts and reels. Once that's done, you're in control. Now go back to ChatGPT and copy the first scene prompt. Come back to Grok, paste it in, and hit enter. In a few seconds, your first scene is ready. Download it. Here's the one step people usually mess up, so pay attention. To keep perfect continuity, we need to reuse the final frame of each clip. Go to the end of the first video, pause on the last frame, right-click the video, and select Copy Video Frame. Then go back to the Imagine homepage and paste that frame in. You'll see it's now ready to be animated. Go back to ChatGPT, copy the second scene prompt, paste it into Grok, and hit enter. In a few seconds, the second scene animates perfectly from the last frame of the first one. Download it. Now repeat the exact same process for the third scene and then the final one. Copy the end frame, paste it, add the next prompt, generate, and download. Just like that, all scenes are done. Step 3, combining the clips, open CapCut and import all your clips into a new project. Drag them onto the timeline and make sure they're in the correct order. Add any background sound you like. Just make sure it's copyright free. Export in high quality and your video's ready. I also tested another example by choosing a different idea from the list and animating it the same way. Honestly, this one turned out even better than the first. Cleaner, smoother, and way more satisfying to watch. If this helped you, hit like and subscribe. I'll keep making tutorials like this. I've already collected everything into a free playlist, all using free tools. Do yourself a favor and binge the whole playlist. That's where the $0 viral formula is hiding. See you in the next one.